So I had never heard of a brushing scam before today. Well, Shane got this package that's from Elephant Cock Tong Village. He didn't order anything. It says on the package that nothing's dangerous in there, and I noticed that there was a second label underneath, so I had already peeled off the top one. So I wanted to see if the bottom one said anything different at all. It says basically the same information, that this is a brain toy, and it's from Sorting Center, KEP Sorting Center, I don't know, and it's from that place I can't pronounce. So we were looking into what this is, because the item in it we were very confused by at first. The item in it has like a smell of incense, like a really, really strong smell of incense, and it turned out to actually just be a little tiny useless magnet, because it's not a very strong magnet, but there's just a little tiny magnet in there. I had to peel it open and it's sticky in there. But apparently this is a scam that people will do, and they'll order something on their website, send it to a real person, and then they can leave themselves 5-star reviews because they're verified purchases, even though we didn't actually order anything. So I'll link an article. Here's the headline that I found, but apparently this has been happening for years and years, so I'll link it below. But yeah, this is the first time I've ever heard of this. Also, reading through this, some people receive empty packages, and some people receive something. It's just basically something that's lightweight, that's cheap for them to ship, because it's cheaper for them to ship here than within China. So they will ship them to us and then leave themselves reviews and boost their items, and there's no way to really stop it or know where it's coming from. It can be sellers on Amazon, AliExpress, eBay. I'm assuming Wish probably has had this happen, so stuff like that. But yeah, there's not really any way to stop it, and I don't know, it's just really crazy, and definitely sounds like a breach of information, since people now have our name and address that we haven't ordered from, so that sucks.